This short video will outline the process for replacing your cabin air filter on your 2010 to 2015 third generation Toyota Prius. Let's get started. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box in the passenger compartment. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to remove the glove box from the vehicle. There are three things that hold the glove box in the car. There are two stops, one on each side, and then a limiter right here. So the limiter can just be removed by pulling it right off and putting it to the side. And then the stops can be disconnected from the car by giving each side a firm push. You'll see, actually, you can see one of them right there. So this side, you can just give it a push. The glove box will kind of dangle like this. The other side can be a little more difficult. It requires some persuasion, but you can kind of move the glove box around to where you can get it disconnected like that. And then you'll be able to see the cabin air filter compartment, which is the white section right there. And then your glove box can just be put to the side. Once the glove box has been removed, you can access the cabin air filter. It's underneath the white cover with the L on it right here. You're going to need to remove the cover by pressing in on the plastic tab right next to the L, and this cover will be removed. You can use something small because sometimes it's a little hard to get your fingers in here. I'm going to use a key, press in on the tab, and the cover will come right off and so. And then you can access your filter, which, as you can see, is very dirty and is in need of replacement. The new filter slides back in, same way. Slides into the compartment. Then the cover, makes sure that the up arrow is facing upwards. This side will slide back into its little notch like that. And then give it a firm press. You hear a click, and then that tab will be secure. The new air filter has been installed, and now let's put it back together. When reinstalling the glove box, it's important to line each of the four tabs up with their corresponding slots in the dash here. So I find that it's easier to start from the bottom. Just kind of line up each of the tabs like so. And then you're going to slowly come upwards until this stays on each side, where the stops are back in their positions. You'll hear a click on both sides, and the glove box should move freely up and down without any binds or anything like that. Once the glove box has been reattached, you can take the black stay and attach it onto the plastic nipple like so. Once all three elements have been reattached, the glove box should open and close without any binds, like so. And that's all that's needed. Your new cabin air filter should provide a cleaner stream of air for you and your passengers. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial.